Chapter 5. Excel 2019. Starting Excel 2019. Let us learn to start MS Excel 2019. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking the Start button. A list of all applications will appear in the Start menu. Step 2. Select the Excel from the list and click on it. The Excel 2019 window will appear with a Start screen. Step 3. Click on the blank workbook. The blank workbook of Excel 2019 will appear in front of us. An Excel window with a number of components appears for data entry, calculations, etc. Working with Excel. The ribbon has all the commands to perform common tasks in Excel. The Backstage view gives us various options for saving, opening a file, printing and sharing the document. Creating workbook. Let us learn to create a new blank workbook. Step 1. Select the File tab. A Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Select New, then click Blank Workbook. A new blank workbook will appear. Entering data. To enter data in a cell, click in the cell and start typing. Step 1. To enter data through the formula bar, first, select the cell and then click on the formula bar and type. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. To put the cell value in number 1 box as B2, B11. The sum generates in cell B12. Step 3. After typing, press OK key. Saving a workbook. There are two methods to save a document, save and save as. If you are saving files for the first time, then use the Save option. You need to use Save as option when you want to save your file with a different name. Let us learn to save a new workbook. Step 1. Click on the File menu button. Step 2. Select Save as option. A Save as window will appear. Step 3. Type the name of the workbook in the File name box and click on the Save button. Open an existing workbook. In addition to creating new workbooks, you'll often need to open a workbook that was previously saved. Let us learn to open an existing workbook. Step 1. Navigate to the Backstage view, then click Open. Step 2. Select Computer, then click Browse. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 3. Locate and select your workbook, then click Open or double-click on the workbook. Using templates. A template is a pre-designed spreadsheet you can use to create a new workbook quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and predefined formulas, so they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. Let us learn to create a new workbook from a template. Step 1. Click the File tab to access the Backstage view. Step 2. Select New. Several templates will appear below the blank workbook option. Step 3. Select a template to review it. A preview of the template will appear, along with additional information on how the template can be used. Step 4. Click Create to use the selected template. A new workbook will appear with the selected template. Types of data. The information you type in Excel 2019 is called data. Data is of three types: numbers, text and formulae. Number or numeric data, from 0 to 9 and symbols. Text data, numbers, alphabet and blank spaces. Formulae, ranging from basic mathematical operations such as addition and subtraction to complex calculations. Manipulating with data. Excel 2019 allows you to cut, copy and paste cells with the data. Let us learn to do this. To select the data, click in the cell and drag the cursor to select cells with data. To select a row or column, click on the row and column header. To copy and paste data, select the cell and click on the Copy in the Home tab. Select the cell where you want to put the data and click on the Paste option in the Home tab. To cut and paste data, select the cell and click on the Cut in Home tab. Select the cell where to put data and click on the Paste option in the Home tab. Generating a series. If you are copying cell content to adjacent cells in the same row or column, the fill handle is a good alternative to the copy and paste commands. Autofill feature of Excel is used to fill cells with data that follows a pattern. It is used to add duplicate entries or a data series to our worksheet cell. We can create our own custom data lists as well as use built-in lists of common entries such as days of the week, months of the year, and number series. We can complete a series across a row or down a column in a worksheet, which will save our time by completing the text or number or series for us. Let us learn to generate the series. Step 1. Select the cells containing the content you want to use, then hover the mouse over the lower right corner of the cell so the fill handle appears. Step 2. Click and drag the fill handle until all of the cells you want to fill are selected. In this example, the cell range D2, D11 is selected. Step 3. Release the mouse to fill the selected cells.